Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the Object.is method. So what it does is it gonna check you're gonna pass to variable, and you're gonna check that is that the same or not. So let me show you. What I'm gonna do is use the object, the constructor object. So and inside that what we're gonna put is foo comma foo. So what it does, it gonna return an boolean like the equal. It's not difference, the operator, this one, triple equals, like that. So it says, oh, I forgot to log it on a console, so I'm gonna need to log it on a console. Put inside that, it says true. If you put anything different than that, it's gonna say false, like bar, it's gonna say false. Now there is special cases to it, like -0 and 0 is the same thing, but he doesn't know that. So 0 comma minus 0, it gonna say false, like like it's not equal. There is a special case with that. It's not in the operator, and there is another special case too, like if you go like 0 by 0 and not a number, nan, and you go with that, it's gonna say true. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.